To make a cucumber and tomatillo salsa, you're gonna need a cucumber, 5 tomatillos, a clove of garlic, and 3 serrano peppers. We're gonna roast the tomatillos, the serrano peppers, and the clove of garlic as that increases their flavor. And we're gonna cover them so they cook faster. See, all these ingredients are gonna be semi-raw, so they're ready. Now we're gonna put them in the blender. And we're gonna add some salt. We're gonna blend these ingredients first and the cucumber last. The tomatillos have a lot of water in them, so we don't need any more liquid. And now we're gonna add the cucumber. It's ready. Now we're gonna try the cucumber and tomatillo salsa. I'm gonna try them with some carne asada that I roast on the flat griddle, and some beans and a piece of avocado. I have the recipe for this, and also I'm gonna be trying it on a corn and chard tortilla. I already have the recipe in videos on how to make these two. My friends, this salsa is delicious. The cucumber gives it a special flavor. I hope you enjoyed the video and make this salsa. If you are new to my page, follow it so you get notified when I upload new salsa recipes like this one. Thank you and have a great day. See you later.